finished up that meat bird coop. Good morning, Grumpy Nation. I got a new chicken coop. So we gonna put this bad boy together. We unboxing it now. We got the frame up. Y'all can see it. Got the dough on it. Got a little dough. Got a nice little dough on there. Framed out, it's 13 by 10. All right. So that's it. We gonna cover it up. Finished up that meat bird coop. Got the roof on. Everything up. Now this netting is plastic. It's a hard plastic. But ain't no problem though, cause I'm gonna run that electric wiring all around it like that. That electric wire, I ain't lost no birds since I've been using it. So, but this is where we gonna do our first batch of meat birds in. And if it work, which I know it will, we just gonna upgrade it from here. I mean, we got it. It was only like $200. I think it was $200. I don't even know if it's $200. But everything was included, right? Everything you see here was included. Right, the netting, the zip ties. The only thing I had to buy some more. Buy some more of these plastic zip ties. Because it came with these metal ones. And they too hard to work with. So, other than that, that's it. I'm gonna get Mama Grumpy to order us some birds and we gonna get them up in here. All right, y'all.